Hello everyone, this is Prajwal Verma from IMCD Aspirants. I welcome you all to the 36th episode of Tutu Talks. In this talk show, you ask questions and I reply them in the form of videos. If you have any doubts, DM on Instagram. We will make sure we make a video on that particular topic for you. Okay, let's get started with today's topic. There's a guy on Instagram who asked me, sir, please name me some companies who have easiest sponsorship exam. To answer this question is all of the companies. Okay, all of the companies have easy sponsorship exams, and all of the companies have tough sponsorship exam, or even moderate, or whatever. I don't know what your criteria is for easy or hard. I don't know what it is. Okay, but the thing is, it all depends on your level of preparation. If you have prepared very hard, very hard, every company will be easy for you. If you are prepared for some particular company, that will be easy. The rest of will be tough or moderate, or maybe some are easier than that company. If you are prepared for some company, rest might be difficult. For X, Y might be difficult. If you are prepared for Z company, W company, ABC company might be difficult or easier for you. It all depends on the level of preparation you are doing. Okay, no company is tough or easy or moderate or anything. It's just your perspective. The way you prepare for that exam, are you fulfilling the demand of the company or the exam that they are conducting? Like, if in exam they want technical questions more, are you practicing more technical question? They want more physics question, are you practicing more question? Then it's easy. And if they are asking for physics question and you are solving chemistry question, then it is not easy at all. Okay, so I think you got my point. It is, first of all, talk to 100 people or 50 people, 60 people, 70 people on Instagram. Like, if you want to join Anglo Eastern, DM 50, 60 people on Anglo Eastern, because most of the people wear uniform of Anglo and written there. Okay, DM them, ask them how they prepared for the exam, then start preparing. Or otherwise, just hire someone to be a mentor. Okay, there are a lot of coachings out there who are providing mentors and all. If you do not want to talk to 50, 70 people and make your conclusion, hire someone. Or if you have someone in your family, make him your mentor. Okay, like, you need a mentor for that particular company. Or like, some people are telling on Instagram all companies are easy and all. Believe me, companies are not easy that they think. Okay, if you are preparing for NDA, CDS, Air Force XY, these things are nothing in compared to them, man. Like, nothing at all. You will clear exams easily here in comparison to that, because they are more tougher level of this. Like NDA, NDA, they take 200-300 people or 400 people out of 4-5 lakh applicants. So it is lot different. Like 4-5 lakh, I don't think even 4-5 lakh people till date applied for IMCET. Okay, so if you are preparing for those exams, you will not have much problem with sponsorship test and all. If you are preparing for IIT JEE, you will not have problem with it. There are many people who transfer from IIT JEE to here. It is nothing new. Like, people think this is happening new and all. The day college was established, since the beginning this is happening. Okay, if you go few years back, you will find that only way to get admission in engineering and BSc was to do good in IIT JEE. Okay, earlier DNS or your diploma courses were not considered very good. BSc people were preferred over everyone else. Okay, prepare well for the company. Okay, talk to 50-60 people or 70 people, how maximum number of people you can find. Okay, I'm telling to 50-60 because if you DM 50-60, only 15-20 or maybe 10-15 people will reply to you, and out of 10-15, 5-6 people will talk to you properly. Ask some of them to be your mentor. Okay, if they are asking for money, give them some little bit money they are asking for, because mentor is very important there. Okay, because there is nothing available, there is no information available out there. You need a mentor for yourself. Okay, you can ask him to be a mentor. If you do it for free, well and good. If your relative is there, ask him to be your mentor. Okay, so find a mentor first for that particular company. Talk to him on a daily basis. Sir, I am this, like this. He will tell you like, you know, all mathematics is fine, but he will tell you what exactly the interviewer or sponsorship exam will ask for a particular X company. Okay, for Y company, like if you are giving for some X company, ask to people who have qualified X company. If you are preparing for Y company, ask people who have qualified Y company, not the old guys. Do not talk to captains and all these people. They have given this exam around 15-16 years earlier. You're talking about, like, if you're talking to Captain Sunil sir or what, they will not be able to help you. Please believe me this. Talk to them who just did it, okay, like 1 year, 2 year, or 6 months. These people will help you better because they know the present scenario. In Captain Sin sir or this time, these people know nothing about the present scenario because they are not connected with it. They haven't given any interview for DNS sponsorship. Okay, they are giving for a whole other level. They will tell you about how to become a captain very well, but they are not able to explain it because what courses they did is different from now. It is whole other different thing. Okay, talk to people who got selected. Okay, and please put your ego down. Okay, do not put your ego high, because when you are going to talk to people who are already selected, there are some people who have lot of same messages that you have, and they might reply angrily or rude whatever you say. But please be patient, because you got a reply on road, your ego got hurt. Okay, this guy is thinking he's big and all. Please, you do not have to go into this hassle. You need selection, right? Take your benefit and go away. Like, this guy means nothing, man. Just take him help. Like, if he's rude, whatever, he's giving you information, right? Proper information. You want information, you don't want have a relationship with him. Okay, you don't want to be buddy with him. You don't want to be his boyfriend or girlfriend. Okay, so do not care about the attitude. Just take the information and pass the exam. It will be a great help for you. Okay, like, only thing I would recommend is talk to people who have already done this. Okay, if you want to go for MSc, talk to people who have done MSc sponsorship. If you want to go for grade, talk to people who have qualified grade. If you want to go for Anglo-Eastern, talk to people who have done Anglo-Eastern sponsorship exam. Like, talk to these people, they will help you a lot. Okay, I think I have answered your question. Thank you very much for watching. I am Aspirants, signing off.